Welcome to Maine. Ocean acidification is affecting Maine's marine environment and can even intensify the acidity caused by the atmospheric CO2. Increased annual precipitation and frequent precipitation events are significantly affecting ocean acidification in the Gulf of Maine. Freshwater runoff and organic matter penetrating Maine's coastal waters and increasing its acidity, thus placing Maine in a very ecologically tough spot due to its location in the Gulf of Maine. Citizens of Maine rely on fisheries as their primary income. Increased acidification greatly impacting commercial fisheries, specifically shellfish, which are very susceptible to ocean acidification. Research and monitoring have also shown that clams are having difficulty surviving increased acidification. Maine is known for its lobster, and he is feeling the impact of climate change as well. According to the University of Maine research, ocean acidification alters thermal cardiac performance. It reduces cell growth that is responsible for fighting infections, which would not be a good taste on a dinner plate. Currently, Maine is working with regional, state, and local parties to address the problems caused by ocean acidification through existing climate change programs. Maine also has an extensive network of citizen scientists that help monitor the situation and help make proper solutions to authorities and policymakers.